Hey guys, just want to introduce you to my new puppy. His name's Zeus, and he's a bullmastiff. They get pretty big. He's only 6 weeks old now, and as you can see, he is just one big puppy. He's a very loving dog, which is good. Let's see. Hey Zeus, come here. Come here, booby. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Gets bigger, he's gonna keep our other dogs company, and he's a cutie. You gonna get the ball, huh? I don't know if you could tell how big he is already. But these dogs, they usually get, upwards of 130 pounds. A mastiff, just a normal mastiff, can get up to 250 pounds. Sometimes even more than that, which is crazy. But he's a bull mastiff, so he won't get that big, but he will be bigger than my other two dogs by a long shot. Right on. Here's a puppy. Where's the puppy, huh? Look at the puppy. Yeah, he's gonna be a big dog. He's a good boy. No, he's a good boy. He's just now getting to know. This is the first. He's just now getting to know our other dogs. And they seem to be accepting him. So that's all good. Come here, Zeus. Come here, Zeus. Come here. Come here. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Where you going? Where you going? Come on, puppy. Anyways, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. I'm gonna get you. Where's the puppy? Where's the puppy? Here's the puppy.